Updating your legal name on Primerica is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your information is up to date. Follow these steps to complete the process efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Contact Primerica customer service. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ISROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Obtain and fill out the name change form provided by Primerica. Make sure to provide accurate information and double check for any errors before submitting the form. Step 4. Submit your documents. Send the completed name change form along with your supporting documents to Primerica. This can typically be done via email, fax, or postal mail depending on their requirements. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Primerica to confirm that your legal name has been updated in their system. Keep a record of any confirmation numbers or correspondence for your reference. By following these steps, you can ensure that your legal name is updated quickly and accurately with Primerica.